Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in a simple and effortless way. You don't need grammar books or long lessons. Just listen carefully and watch this video several times. Today's video is about a unique friendship between two countries that were once enemies, the United States and Japan. Their alliance today might seem surprising, but it's actually one of the strongest in the world. Let's go back in time. During World War II, the US and Japan were at war. After Japan attacked Pearl Harbor in 1941, the United States joined the war and eventually dropped 2 atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. That tragic moment ended the war, but left deep scars in history. But after the war, something incredible happened. Instead of remaining enemies, the two countries worked together to rebuild. The US helped Japan recover through economic aid and support. Over time, Japan became one of the most advanced economies in the world, and the two countries developed a strong partnership. Today, the US and Japan share common values like democracy, human rights, and peace. They work together in global politics, technology, science, and even culture. Japanese innovation and American creativity influence each other every day, from anime and sushi to Hollywood movies and Silicon Valley startups. Military cooperation is also a big part of the relationship. Japan hosts several US military bases, and both countries agree to protect each other in case of external threats. They train together, plan together, and face challenges like North Korea's missile tests or regional tensions in the Pacific. Economically, they are top trading partners. Japanese companies like Toyota, Sony, and Nintendo are famous in the US, while American brands like Apple and McDonald's are popular in Japan. Their economies are deeply linked, supporting millions of jobs and billions in trade. But beyond politics and money, it's about respect and friendship. Students exchange between both nations. Tourists visit each other's countries. Language, fashion, and food cross the Pacific Ocean every single day. It's a living example of how countries can move from conflict to cooperation. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. That part is crucial to mastering your English and understanding American culture. Like this video, share it with friends, and help us grow by creating more great content. See you in the next video.